This video will walk you through the steps required to update the section control software on a 12 or 16 row Salford precision row crop cultivator. This process should only be done by a Salford dealer that has access to the relevant software files on the Salford Connect dealer portal. Before starting the software update process, you will need to order an ISOBUS download box. Refer to the software update instructions on the dealer portal for the correct kit part number. You will also need an unencrypted USB drive with no other folders or files on the drive. This may require formatting the drive, but be aware that formatting will erase all contents on the USB. Once you have a USB ready, download the latest software file from the software updates page on Salford Connect. Ensure that you are downloading the correct section control software for a 12 or 16 row machine and not a 24 row. Once downloaded, open and unzip the software files. Then copy all of the files within this folder to the USB. Note, there will be 2 software files within the download folder, which will each be a separate download during the software update process. Once the files are on the USB, eject the USB and bring it to the cultivator. With the machine fully hooked up, you may now install the ISOBUS download box. Start by removing the cultivator's ISOBUS harness that is connected to the back of the tractor. Then plug the ISOBUS T adapter with download box as shown. Next, turn on power to the machine and plug the USB with software files into the download box. There will be 2 separate software installations required for this update. On the VT display, the following screen will be shown. Before proceeding, click the refresh button, then the folder button to open the software files. To start the first update, use the up and down arrows to select the file with MIDI at the beginning of the file name. Then start the update by clicking the play button once the correct file is highlighted in blue. The download will then begin and may take about 15 minutes to be completed. Note, during this time, it is normal to see a loss of communication error. Once the first update is complete, you will see a message saying that the download was successful. Clicking the arrow button will return you to the file list. Again, click the refresh button before starting the next update. Then click the folder button to open the file list, then navigate to the other software file that does not have MIDI at the beginning of the file name. Once the correct file is highlighted, click the play button to begin the update. This process should only take a few minutes. Once completed, you may click the return arrow and then power off the machine. Then remove the T-harness from the ISOBUS plug and plug the machine ISOBUS harness back in. With that, the section control software has been updated and the precision row crop cultivator is ready for the field.